Seem to be brewing up a bit of a storm. Woo! We're at the end of the night. As you can see, Ross is well truly dipped.
Ross is gone.
Yeah, he's balancing stuff in his head. So we thought before this keg kicks, we should give this a test, or do a wee video anyway and just see what we think. Personally, I think it's a bit oxidised. Dell doesn't think so. Mike and Ross as well thought it was alright, but it's just, I just transferred it yesterday into a fresh keg and I just think there's a bit of oxygen. Maybe it's picked up. I mean, what do you think?
I think it's really tasty.
What's it smell?
Smells like dead squirrel.
Does dead squirrel smell of apricot and peach? It smells good.
No, it's really nice.
It's not pure pungent though, is it?
No.
Which is a shame.
No, it's lovely. It's a really nice beer.
It's really strong.
Chewy. It really is like eating rusks.
Rusks. It is like I think what came at 7.5%, so DIPA territory basically. It's yeah.
I mean, it's probably thicker than Ross.
It's proper thick.
It really is thick. It's
got a lot of bitterness to it.
Ross only 2 and he's past it.
Ross had 6.
Mike had 3 and he went home.
Yeah, yeah. So we've had quite a fair few, and the keg is actually
the keg's empty.
Really light, yeah. So pretty much managed to bang through it. So
nah, it's just, I mean, like it's really dark. It's not.
It's kind of like
it's not colour you expected, but it is really tasty.
I think when I
nice
tried it out of the tap, it was a lot lighter than this, which makes me think it is oxidised.
But if it's oxidised, then it says like how good it was before it oxidised.
Yeah, but
it's really nice.
I think because it's such an early, because it was only just changed over yesterday, maybe that's why it's still okay. It's just taking that dark colour or darker. But it could just be that it's a 7.5%. When you put it in a pint glass, it just goes a lot darker. So
like you could cut it with a knife and fork. It's lovely, but it's really nice. It's a really nice beer. Actually. It's a really nice beer.
Yeah, proper citrus. It was I think I'd used Incognito and Spectrum Citra. And it was an Incognito Mosaic and then Citra Spectrum. So yeah.
I mean, look at Ross. There's a good indicator.
He's KO'd.
He started growing Pringles at his head.
I'll put some videos in of stuff balancing on his head in the video as well. Yeah. Oops. But yeah, so no, it's good.
No, this is a really nice beer.
Yeah, and it's kept the haze as well. Because I'd used, was it
I mean it is thicker than gravy, but it's a really nice beer.
Yeah. Lager malt and I think Crafty Maltsters as well, and then it's saturated yeast.
Well, I spilled up my floor and there's now a hole in my floor.
It's melted it like flipping alien blood. But yeah, cool.
No, it's a nice beer.
And it's snowing outside, Del.
What? On what? Whoa!
Big chunky bits.
Get a camera. Whoa! Where the fuck did that
Proper
come
snow.
from? Ah, it's dandruff.
That is. Oh, it's that chunky stuff that'll probably be. It's proper cold out there.
Jesus, man, it's like -400 out there.
Del, we say bye.
Bye.